When there is a defect of leads, solder are prone to fracture and components may loosen under environments such as vibration and temperature changes, which will lead to circuit failure. Due to diverse solder shapes and empty pads, color algorithms are easily disrupted. Inaccurate color ranges, whether too large or small, can compromise detection results. Microarray Intelligent Solder AOI, powered by AI algorithms, segments images at the pixel level to separate pins and pads. Using AI algorithms for no-foot inspection, it analyzes multi-dimensional features of pin and shape, texture, color, and position overcoming the traditional reliance on single features like color. It has strong generalization ability, can adapt to different types of pins such as through hole and bent angle, and ensures no omission of no-foot defects.